Welcome to Cooking with Beer. I'm Doug.
I'm Chris.
And today's our first episode. And guess what I'm making, Chris?
Talk to me. What are you making? What's for dinner?
What's for dinner? We're gonna make some white wine and garlic shrimp over linguine.
Nice.
Now, the reason I'm doing this is perfect date night meal, especially if you don't cook.
Date night's good.
Date night's good. It's 10 minutes prep, 10 minutes cooking. Now, make sure you go into the description. That's where we hide the recipes. We don't hide them. They're out there in the open for y'all. Watch the video, grab yourself a drink. Now, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share it with friends. And also, do me a favor. When you do this meal at home, take a picture, put it in the comments, share it with us. Let me know how easy it was. Because I'm telling you, you're going to blow your guests away. So, cheers and enjoy the show. Welcome back to Cooking with Beer. Now, as I promised you, we're going to be making white wine and garlic shrimp over linguine. And yes, as I also promised you, it takes about 10 minutes to prep, 10 minutes to make, 20 minutes total. Now, one thing I did, especially for the people that aren't into cooking or just don't cook, but you want to try. I went out and I'm using the basic ingredients that you could get at any grocery store at all. Now grab a drink while you're watching.
Yeah, listen.
Chris, make them drink.
Hey, drink up, people. Let's go.
All right, here we go. Now, I'm going to take you step by step, and trust me when I say it's easy. It's so easy.
It's simple.
It's simple.
I can do it.
Chris could do it.
No,
Chris
it's got to be simple then.
Okay, so I'm going to start boiling the water.
All right.
I got the oven preheating for 375. Now, first,
What's in the bowl, bitch?
Well, first thing I did was cheat. I got shrimp that's already cooked.
Nice.
You could buy it in a 2-pound bag like I did.
Okay.
It's already deveined and peeled. All you got to do is pull the tails off.
Nice.
So it takes like 3 minutes. That's the longest, but it's all fresh
Nice.
and ready to go.
Good.
And this is why it only takes 10 minutes in the oven.
All right.
So the first ingredient we're going to put in, get yourself a good extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to need a half a cup of this. We got the water boiling. Well, it's close. It's cooking. And then we got the oven preheating. We already got our first ingredient in. Take a sip.
There you go. Sips are important. Drink up, people.
You got to hydrate.
Oh, yeah.
This is a full functioning thing here. Now, the next thing that goes in, your white wine.
White wine.
Now, they always say pick a wine that you like to drink and use that to cook with. So, I like to go with the Pinot Grigio.
Okay.
And it's supposed to be half a cup.
Half a cup.
Yeah, go a little extra with the wine.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, because it's special.
It makes it happy.
Now, what happens with the extra virgin oil and the wine, this is actually your sauce. You're building your sauce for the meal.
Okay.
So it's great. You know, we're not using spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce, all that crap. This is white wine and garlic sauce.
White wine. I'm not.
Next thing, you could either buy fresh tomatoes and chop them, but once again, I'm taking the easy way out. I got 2 cans of tomatoes here. And what you want to do, they're already chopped.
Okay.
Just strain them, put them in a strainer. And you just dump them straight in there.
Straight in.
So now we got our white wine, our olive oil, and our tomatoes.
Never said it wasn't messy.
You could buy lemons and squeeze them yourself, or you could buy lemon juice. Once again, easy.
Taking it easy.
4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons.
Okay.
And once again, with all these ingredients, it doesn't hurt if you go a little over, a little extra.
So we're gonna put some shrimp in there.
Eventually.
Okay.
Shrimp's the last thing that's gonna go in.
All right.
Okay, so we got our lemon juice. Now, next thing, you want a tablespoon or 2 of garlic. Once again, you can either go out, buy garlic, peel it, chop it up, or I buy the already chopped garlic. I get the roasted garlic. I like that. I think the flavor's a little better.
Okay.
And I will put 2 tablespoons in.
Hey, the work's already done for you. Oh, that little
Oregano.
Little sprinkle for good luck.
Hey, you're supposed to put about a tablespoon or 2 in, or a teaspoon or 2, I should say.
Okay.
I just wing it. You'll be able to wing it.
All right.
Red pepper flakes.
Add some red
Little
pepper
heat.
flakes.
Last ingredient I'm going to put in, some garlic salt.
Garlic salt.
Yeah, instead of regular salt, I like a little, it's just extra flavor. We're building a lot of flavors here.
Okay.
All right. Now, what we want to do first is mix all this together. You want to Can you get in there, brother?
Oh, I'm getting there. I'm in there. I'm
How good
watching
does
you
that
mix.
look?
That looks good.
Looks good, right?
Now I understand what they mean by smell-o-vision.
Yep. Now we're just gonna add our 2 pounds of shrimp.
Nice.
You wanna stir the shrimp, make sure they're all covered.
Okay.
Can this get any easier?
I don't know.
You know what? I'll take another sip.
You know what? A sip is good. Pause.
But seriously. All right, so that's basically it. You got your sauce, you got your shrimp ready, some diced tomatoes. We're gonna put this in the oven. The oven's ready to go at 375. Water's ready for the pasta. What's great about putting them together is pasta takes about 10 minutes to cook, and you're gonna put this in the oven for 10 minutes.
Okay.
So as soon as the pasta is ready to go, we can combine them too, sit down and eat.
Nice.
How easy is that? 10 minutes,
10 minutes.
pasta's done.
That's awesome.
Okay, what we want to do, get
so
yourself a colander, strainer, whatever you want to call it. Let's just put the pasta in there. And we're going to go a little extra. What I'm going to do is teach you how to make the world's greatest garlic bread.
Nice.
The world's greatest.
The world's greatest. I like garlic bread, but I've never had the world's greatest.
You're going to have the world's greatest.
Damn, I'm
So what
excited.
we're going to do, while the oven's still hot, we're going to actually put it on broil. Because we got to broil this. And there we go.
Nice.
Yes. So what we want to do now, while the broiler is heating up, just take the shrimp and all that sauce and pour it right in your pan.
Okay.
Now,
gonna
next step, we take the pasta drained,
Okay.
just pour it right on top.
That's it.
That's it. Got that. Take your stir. And before we do that, gonna cheat one more time. You know how?
How?
I got Parmesan cheese already grated.
Oh, nice.
Now you could go out and be extra special, get your own block of Parm and grate it on. One lesson I learned from Giada De Laurentiis. No, I don't know her personally. I watched her shows.
Okay.
And that's actually where I learned how to cook some of my Italian meals. Found a pretty woman on TV, and before I knew it, I didn't know I was even paying attention to what she was saying.
Yeah, I know.
And I did.
Didn't know you liked Italian cooking. Things.
No, there was a couple things in that show that just made me come back, and next thing you know, Doug could cook.
I can't imagine what they could be.
God bless her.
God bless her.
But one thing she tells you is put the cheese on the pasta before you mix it with the sauce. The cheese will melt onto the pasta, and that'll stick to the pasta, and then the sauce will stick to the cheese. Come over here, brother.
All right.
While I'm stirring this.
I'm back. Boy, now we're so close. Oh, that smells so good.
Right?
Left.
I mean, you can smell everything from the wine to the freaking lemon to the garlic. So what you want to do is just cover this up for about 5-10 minutes. Just leave all them flavors marinate. Just cover
Closed
it
it
up.
up on us.
Yeah, just cover it up for about 5 minutes. It'll just bring everything together.
Okay. Helps it marry.
Yes. Now, we're going to cheat on the garlic bread.
All right. How?
What you want to do, go out to your local grocery store.
You cheat a lot.
I cheat.
You're on-
Well, you know what? I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for everybody at
Oh,
home.
so there's a reason you cheat.
Yeah, now if you're an advanced cook, you could do everything special. Use fresh shrimp, dice your own tomatoes.
Oh, there's going to be people out there that are going to shred us.
You know, and I'd wait till if it's a third date, then you want to get the garlic and do the old Polly routine in Goodfellas where you use the razor blade.
Yeah, that,
Nice
so it
and
melts.
thin.
Yeah,
But you don't
completely
have to
gone.
do that. You
Right.
can just buy all this in your grocery store. Yeah. So what you want to do for the garlic bread is buy some fresh Italian bread.
Nice.
Chop it about 1 inch thick. I melted a stick of butter.
Nice.
You're going to take your garlic
Okay.
that we pre-bought, that's pre-chopped.
Awesome.
You're going to take about a tablespoon of it. Drop it right into the stick of melted
Oh,
butter.
nice. Okay. All right. I didn't think about that.
Oh, that's why I'm here.
I guess so.
I'm doing the thinking. Then we take a spoon, just stir that butter and garlic together,
Show me what we're going to do here.
and then we're going to just drench that right over the bread. See the chopped garlic and the butter. Like I said, make sure your broiler's on. This you got to be very careful with because it goes quick. You're going to go about maybe 2 minutes and then check on it.
Max.
Because this will go from perfect to burnt
In seconds.
in seconds. In seconds, man.
Okay. All right. So it bears watching. So at this point, you might want to like pace yourself while you're drinking.
I don't know if we give that type of advice out around here.
Okay. For the color?
Yeah, it gives it that Italian.
Oh, that Italian flair?
Yeah,
That-
you know,
that-
like the pizza smell. It's just another layer of flavor.
So Giada would be so proud of you.
Oh, I hope she's proud of
I
me.
hope she's proud of you.
I'm proud of her.
Oh, I'm sure you are.
So into the broiler,
Into the broiler.
and I'm telling you, check on it in 2 minutes.
Okay. Oh, garlic bread looks so good. Oh yeah, I'm ready.
World's greatest garlic bread, right there.
Smells great, I can tell you that much. Smell of it.
Turn this bad boy off,
Okay,
and
we're good to go.
all right. Now let me plate this. Is that ready for us?
I am. Let's get in here.
Oh, look at the sauce.
Oh, I'm ready.
How's that look?
It looks awesome. Looks great.
Now we're gonna cheat a little more, just a little more cheese over top.
A little cheese on the top. Okay. What else goes on that plate?
Piece of the world famous garlic bread.
Just one? Yeah, you know me.
2 pieces of the world famous garlic. Oh, that's so
Oh,
good.
that looks so good. Let me get it. That's, you know what? Oh man, Doug, this looks so good.
Let me know, brother.
You know me. I'm going big or going home. I'm gonna go with a bite of garlic bread, more pasta. Oh my God, this garlic bread is so good. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, Doug. That's delicious.
Right?
Left. Stupid simple too.
Right?
Half of the world garlic.
Store bought.
Oh, can't beat that.
Nope. World's greatest garlic bread.
That's some really good garlic. That's really good garlic bread. That is delicious. I'll tell you what, I'd date you. That was a home run, brother. Nice job. Shrimper.
Well, I'm gonna have to put
Can't
this
believe
down.
that's some-
I'm gonna have to put this down because I
Come
need
on,
to dig
enjoy
in
it.
too, brother.
Come on.
I'm sorry, but I just gotta dig in too. I was watching him enjoy it too much.
Yeah, I did it.
Trust me. Try this at home. It's that easy. It's that easy. And like I said, send me the pics. Let me know if you had any issues, but leave comments. Please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing this for a long time.
Yeah.
And
First of many.
yes,
Hope you enjoy.
cheers. All right, we're going to continue eating here. Almost out of beer. Sorry.
I got another one.
Yeah.
So,
But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you make it. Send me pictures. But trust me, it's as easy as it looked.
that was banging.
Take care.
Cheers.